Don't look back. You're not there anymore. I'll take the bullets from your soul and leave it right here on the floor. You keep staring at the pictures.
So my room is an absolute mess, but we're gonna clean it. We're just not gonna talk about it. So yeah, let's clean my room.
I'm the one who got away, yes. You're the one who has to pay. And one thing's for sure, I'm bringing out the cheap champagne. Raise the glass and celebrate us being done. 'Cause love ain't enough.
Hello, I just got home from church and now I'm going to work on my computer. I'm gonna work on decluttering my MacBook because it's got a lot of like video files on it. So I'm just probably gonna just delete those because I don't need them for any future videos or anything. So I'm just gonna delete them. I'm gonna clear off my MacBook. I'm also gonna get some more copyright free music on Pillow Thematic and then I'm gonna edit. So let's do it. Alright you guys, so I just cleaned up my MacBook. I also removed some things from my dock and I also added a new little wallpaper. I like it. It's from juliakchrist.com. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just gonna edit now, so yeah. Alright you guys, so we just ate some lunch. We ate Chipotle. I'm gonna light this white pumpkin candle now from Bath and Body Works. I love this candle. I'm gonna light a candle so that I can kind of be like cozy and stuff. I'm gonna turn a good like movie on too because I want to. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright you guys, so I was watching the Cheetah Girls for a while. I had to run up to the library to return a few books that were overdue because I have organization issues and I did not want them to be late, but they were already late, so like what the heck. But I wanted to do something that I've never really done before. I'm trying to get my health back on track, so I want to write out some like health goals and stuff that I want to accomplish within the next like 2 months of the rest of the year of 2022. So I'm going to write down a few goals that I want to accomplish before the year ends.
Sunshine.
You guys, I had to come into the bathroom because my fiance was playing UFC on the freaking TV on his PS4 and I could not hear myself even speak. I don't want to get copyrighted either. So basically I created up my goals. I have 4 goals and the first one is to work out 3 times a week. I feel like 6 times a week, 5 times a week is a little bit extra for me right now because I am really out of shape and I don't want to push myself to the point where I just don't want to work out. So 3 times a week seems pretty doable for me. My second goal is to drink half my body weight in ounces of water daily so that I'm getting a good amount of water intake and I'm staying healthy and water is in my system so I'm staying hydrated. My third tip is to wake up before 8 a.m. 6 days a week, taking one day where I can just sleep in as long as I want to, but at least waking up before 8 a.m. 6 days a week. And then my last goal is to read 3 more books to hit my reading goal for the year of 2022, just so that I can, you know, get my brain moving, my creative thinking flowing, and just kind of read some more books. Okay, you guys. We have a problem. My vanity is absolutely atrocious. There's so much stuff underneath it. The drawers are jam-packed full. I really just need to organize my vanity to the best of my abilities. So we're gonna get to doing this. This is the one thing that I'm gonna declutter and like get rid of some stuff and everything and just like work through today. And then we're gonna watch a movie or read my Kindle or whatever just to be chill. Alright, you guys, I just woke up from a like hour-long nap. Say hi. It's currently 6:50 p.m. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, like that video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.